Nice Jamaican girl, and so I'm saying, Mama said, those breasts. I love to kiss the breasts.
The breast.
The breasts. So the Jamaican girl, she catch on the French thing, you know. So she said, oui, monsieur. So the French man, him get down and bubble titty them, you know, man. And by the time him sight up them near him, say, Mama said, say Neville. I would like to put his wine in the Neville and kiss it.
Yes, in the Neville.
So the chick said, Monsieur, oui. So throw him wine at the navel, you know, man. So you know the next point, him say, Mama said, he can't. Down there bubbly cunt, you know, man, and see him them go to the burp and fart, you know. Shut up, you jealous batty. I was coming to you next.
Alright, hold on, let me give you one now. Them two pitney go to school, right? The boy and the girl, you know, them go to school and them are friends.
Okay then.
Them are friends, right? So, the boy now really want to touch off of the girl now. So he hear this now, them get holiday like summer holiday come up. So they make arrangement to go check the girl. But it's one bus from where the boy live, you know, to go down to the girl district. Take the bus and go down there. And they plan up with the girl to make the bus left him. But the daddy live with the girl in just a one apartment, you know, one bedroom. So, you know, night come down and say, boy, John, one bus, you can't go back home, you have to sleep here. Him say, no problem, sir. Him say, all right, you can sleep with my daughter, I will sleep in the coach. He said, no, sir, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I'd rather sleep on the couch and you sleep with the daughter. And him chat and him say, all right, you know what? Three of us going to sleep in the bed. So we at the bed now, about 2 o'clock in the morning now, the boy, and the liquor pun, then, you know, kind of thing, say daddy asleep. So him start running man over now and reach the girl. Yeah, what's that? He said, that's my mouth, you know? And he might touch it. When he come down now, he said, what's that? He said, my breast. I said, tickle them, they'll turn me and daddy will wait. He go down further. He said, what is that here, the girl? Me never. Don't tickle it, daddy will wait. When he go further down near him, what is that here, the daddy? That's me hand over a pussy and that's why you're going to stay till daylight.
Yeah, but man, we're going to Kentucky. And man, hunger bossing shot in us and go to Kentucky, man. That's why I have money, but he join the line, you know. Work for that thing, when he reach about the third one to reach the cashier, you know. He just farm a faint and drop from, you know. So I want to see myself, I'm not bad this man. Go down here and go buy him some soup, man. Man, the idiot, man, if you want soup, no faint, the soup shop. Where's the Nathan? This couple went to church to get married. So, but the man was hard of hearing. So, you know, pastor, read the matrimony to the man and say, ask him, so where's the ring? So, pastor, and my good man, where's the ring? He not saying anything to pastor. He said, where's the ring? The wife joking and said, he hard of hearing, sir. So, pastor, where's the ring?
It's a 2 times last night and 1 time this man.
Yeah, this sexy girl at Minister of Foreign Affairs in a round. You know them woman looking at them take full pill. But this old man a janitor. He's supposed to go for a pension, he reach 65. Walk up and down every day and girl thinks, can you manage me? You call me all of you, say me call, just give me some of my pussy, no? Give me some of my pussy, and see what me do with you. Anyway, say, woman say, alright, Friday, can your money come my yard? I have an apartment in a New Kingston. Can your money come my yard? Me carry you home with me. Carry home man, old boy. And girl go in a bathroom, bathe and spray. No, then spray fire, so I'm behind and everywhere. The old boy. He say, go and go bathe and come now. Old boy run the bathroom, go bathe. Girl take her clothes and lie down in the bed. Old boy run out, take time, come out now. And look, the girl fell out in the bed, so. But he just hides up half 5 beds. Everything wrong. And I bounce. Old boy come out now, ready to go work. Pay money long time now. When old boy come out, I look and see one time. See old boy. Lord Jesus Christ, what me I go do? Go pussy. Jesus God, go pussy. What me wanna go do with some pussy? Father help me. Go pussy. Go pussy. What a heap of pussy.
God. Big boy. One time. Big boy, no. When he left school, man, teacher tell him, say, when you're not going home in the evenings, you must always remember the last thing you say. So this evening question, and then come back to school in the morning, man, teacher said, I want everybody to draw something, depicting what them see. Yesterday evening going home. So draw man pan donkey, man not come from and gone with fork pan